This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Malene Cuizon and Janice Johnson. Lovely move-in ready 3 bedrooms/2 bath home with fireplace and 2-car garage. Master's bedroom has walk-in closet. Luxury vinyl flooring was installed in 2020, roof 2021 and home was repainted in 2019. Light fixtures, kitchen sink, touchless faucet in 2019 and backsplash in 2018. AC is new. Has pantry, storage building, potting shed, deck, covered patio to enjoy the beautiful landscaped backyard. Flowers are perennial and they come back year after year. Please call to schedule showing. See remarks for more information, review the details below.